The Alienware has become synonymous with quality and futuristic-looking gaming products, starting from laptops to monitors. In the recent years, this company has started crafting curved gaming monitors, which are equipped with plenty of gaming features and with a fully customizable RGB lighting system as well. Today, I'm going to make a detailed overview of the Alienware AW34, a powerful 34-inch masterpiece which stands for long hours of gaming. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. This model measures 22 inches in height, 12.5 inches in width, 32 inches in depth, and it weighs around 26 pounds or 11 kilograms. From a design perspective, this monitor features the typical sleek Alienware aesthetic that is composed of a metallic silver finish, sharply angled base, and fully customizable LED light strips spread along the rear of the cabinet and at the base. You can enhance your gaming ambient during playing at night by taking an advantage of the Alien FX lighting control system, which makes them shine based on your preferences. In my opinion, this is a really good addition because it makes your gaming station a lot more aggressive, something that is always demanded by the gamers. At the lower right edge, you can find 6 strategically positioned controlling buttons, which will let you have a quick and straightforward navigation between menus. In addition, they are really responsive and soft, so you don't have to push hard to make them work. There is also a decent amount of connectivity options, such as one DisplayPort 1.2, an HDMI 1.4 port, 4 USB 3.0 ports, of which 2 are positioned at the center of the lower edge, 1 USB upstream port, and a 3.5mm headphone port. Now, we can move to the next section, where I will provide some information about its stand and what kind of adjustments you can make. The 34-inch cabinet is supported by a sturdy 2-leg stand that has a tidy hole for keeping the cable management as clean as possible, so you won't have to deal with a cable mess on your desk. You can make swivel, height, and tilt adjustments without any problem, and the stand has a high level of stability, so you shouldn't worry about anything. I want to mention that the monitor is also VESA compatible, so you can mount it to your wall or even an armature for saving more space. Now, let's talk about its features and performance. The Alienware 34 houses an IPS panel that is accompanied by an ultra-thin, straight-sided bezel for providing a colossal screen space. In addition, the screen is coated with an anti-glare layer, so you won't be distracted through your gameplay by the sun reflections, which is always helpful. I really like the fact that this monitor uses the IPS technology because it offers consistent and vivid colors even if you view it from a 178-degree horizontal or vertical viewing angle. Another interesting thing about this model is its 1900R curvature, which serves as a key point for pairing it with coupled monitors because it will create a full circle for maximizing your viewing space. Moreover, the Alienware is capable enough to cover up to 99% of the sRGB color gamut, or to be more precise, it supports up to 16.7 million colors, so you know what you can expect. The WQHD resolution, which translates into 3440 by 1440 in terms of pixels, the 300 nit brightness, and the native refresh rate of 100Hz that can be overclocked to 120Hz, will highly affect on your view because of the visuals that are really sharp, clear, and full of detail, so you will see stuff which you were unable to see with other monitors. I also want to mention that the aspect ratio of 21:9 and the contrast ratio of 1000:1 are going to further enhance your image quality because the blacks and whites are extremely defined, but we will talk more about that in the following section. This monitor uses the NVIDIA G-Sync technology, which is known for reducing the screen tearings and the lag to the minimum, so you can enjoy every game you play without getting bothered and frustrated by anything. As a plus, the Alienware has a response rate of 4 milliseconds, so it will maximize your gaming experience by adding smoothness and make your gameplay more enjoyable. In my opinion, if Dell somehow managed to make this monitor have a 1 millisecond response time, it will definitely be the best monitor on earth. However, this isn't a huge drawback and it can be considered as a remark, so I will leave it up to you to decide if I'm right or not. If you want to enhance your gaming experience even more, Dell has included 6 gaming modes, of which 3 are gaming and 3 are customizable game modes. The gaming modes include an FPS, RTS, and RPG mode, so depending on what you play, you can choose the one that would ideally suit your style. Since you can create customizable gaming modes, This comes as a huge advantage because you can use the ones you had previously created and start playing your games without making any additional adjustments. Overall, you should definitely take the Alienware AW3418DW into serious consideration if you want to have your gaming experience elevated to a whole new level. The price isn't maybe that affordable, but considering the monitor's potential and performance, they'll deserve some credit because they succeeded in creating a product which definitely justifies its price tag. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about the Alienware 34, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.